Hi, my name is Trevor and I'm one of Blacksmith's product design experts. I'm here today to explain what a tech pack is and why it's essential if you plan to have your product manufactured. A tech pack is the blueprint of your product, and I'm not talking about a napkin sketch. The purpose of a tech pack is to show your factory how to manufacture your product. In order for the factory to understand how to make a product effectively, every tiny product detail must be called out. Depending on the complexity of your product, this may require a substantial amount of information. A tech pack should look something like this. This example is a tech pack for leggings. Some of the details contained in a tech pack are the following: a bill of materials and material specification, colorway information, dimensions and measurements, front, side, back, top, bottom and interior views where applicable, and zoomed in sections for tiny details. You also include key features and their functionality. So here's why you need a tech pack. Any responsible factory will not accept your project if the tech pack is unclear. Some factories will guide you on how to revise your design documents for approval. Irresponsible factories will still agree to work with you despite unclear design documents, but this is where serious problems begin. A factory that accepts an unclear or undescriptive tech pack will interpret the best way to construct your product. In all of our years at Blacksmith, working closely with product companies and factories, we have never heard a story of a factory being able to successfully interpret somebody's product from poor or unclear design documents. The result is always a series of bad samples, revisions, and months wasted. So how do you create a tech pack that a factory will accept? Unless you're an advanced graphic designer or an engineer that knows how to use computer-aided design for more technical products, then you will need to hire a design partner. Finding the right design partner can be the difference between success and failure, but it can also be hard to find a great designer who you can trust to see your product vision. A great design partner will work with you to understand your vision, create the specs, determine materials, design for manufacturing, and they will save you time, money, and sanity. As a bootstrapping entrepreneur, working with a design partner may cost you precious dollars in the short term, but it will save you tenfold down the road. In conclusion, a tech pack is a blueprint of your product that is essential in order for a factory to make your product at scale. Additionally, working with a designer to create a professional tech pack will help you avoid wasting months trying to vet factories that are doomed to let you down. If you have any questions about creating a tech pack or how to hire a tech pack designer, then reach out to us at Blacksmith anytime.